Hello everybody and welcome to your last learning video for the technical skills. Again, I've put the Glenthorne Dance YouTube page, so make sure you're up to date with everything going on, everything that we're giving you so far. So technical skills, remember we have to know all 7, so test yourself now, have a think, can you recall all 7 technical skills? So we have action content, spatial content, relationship content, movement in a stylistically accurate way, dynamic content, rhythmic content, and timing content. So we've done the majority of them. This last video is to get our head around movement in a stylistically accurate way. So how will you be examined? You should know this by now. So we're looking at, can we define it? Can we give examples of that skill? And can we identify the importance of that skill? So we won't need to do all 3 of these for every single technical skill. It has varied throughout, so just go back on the videos and make sure you've revised all of the content on the videos. Okay, so an interesting one. Movement in a stylistically accurate way does not actually have a definition on the AQA glossary. So there is no official definition, but we're going to try and define it and try and break it down and make sure we really understand what it means. So to be moving in a stylistically accurate way. So in short, it is being accurate to the style. So being true to the history and to the origins of the style. Performing the dance with the correct technique that is with that style, that is learnt about within that style. And using the correct energy, posture, attitude to demonstrate that style. Okay, so let's take ballet for example. So when you're being true to the histories and origins of the style, you're performing with the correct technique, performing within the positions that are learnt. Okay, and performing with the correct technique is going to be accurate to that style. You're not changing the style, you are being technically accurate. So you're using the correct energy, the correct posture, the correct attitude. So if you imagine a ballet dancer in that posture, with that energy, with that attitude, you're not going to be hunched over, maybe head dropped slightly, with a kind of urban energy and attitude that more lends itself to street dance. You're going to be in the balletic position with the straight posture, with that presenting attitude and energy. Yeah, there's a difference when you think about the styles. So movement in a stylistically accurate way, encompassing the history, the origins, performing with the correct technique, and using the correct energy, posture, and attitude to demonstrate that style correctly. Okay, so create a way you can remember all of the technical skills. So there are 7, and we do need to think of these little tricks or songs or whatever to make sure that we can remember these easily, because there are tons of skills. Remember, we have to know all the physical skills, all the expressive skills, all the mental skills, and now we've got to know all these technical skills. So here is the way that I have decided to remember the technical skills, and it worked quite well with the Year 9s, they liked it. So I just say the hot 4, the pair, and the sentence. So the hot 4, action, space, dynamics, relationships. We know those 4. We use those 4 all throughout Key Stage 3. So those are clumped together as the hot 4. Then we have the pair, so the last lesson, which was rhythmic and timing content. As we know, timing and rhythm go well together. They are linked. So we call those the pair. And then we have the only skill that is a sentence. So that is the movement in a stylistically accurate way, today's one. So we have hot 4, the pair, the sentence. And when you say these, then you can give yourself a little clue to what they are. It's going to kind of trigger or get the skills out of you. So that is my way of remembering them. And like I said, the Year 9s quite liked it. If you can think of another way, go for it. If that one works better for you, great. Okay, practical task. We are sticking with kind of the street dance umbrella, the genres under street dance. and we are actually going for whacking and voguing, okay? So I want you to research the street dance styles of whacking and voguing. I would definitely recommend watching Madonna's music video for Vogue. That has a lot of, obviously, voguing in it. And I want you to create a short voguing or whacking routine. We haven't put a length on it because I know some of you might not be comfortable in this style, might have never done this style before. But use YouTube to research and make sure you're being stylistically accurate. So remember, learn about the techniques, learn about the posture, make sure you've got the right energy to really portray whacking and voguing and be stylistically accurate. Email me if you've got any questions, guys, and I hope you have a good day.